It is easy to update a website powered by the website builder. The first thing I need to do is to log in to my hosting account. I have only one website here, and it is not bound to a custom domain name, so it is using this temporary domain name. Let me open it in another tab to see how it looks. This is a minimalistic web page, simple background and business header. It has a phone number, which is a link, and an email. Let's go back and change it a little bit. There are two text blocks here. Each text block begins with an asterisk symbol at the very first position of the line, followed by a space and the title of the block. Let me extend the first text block. Let me add several sentences. Let me just copy this text in other languages. For example, è facile di cambiare una pagina. Изменить страницу просто. Es ist einfach, eine Webseite zu ändern. Now let me save it and see what are the changes. In order to see the changes before publishing them, I use this icon. Let me click it. You see that now I have more text here, but this text block is too wide, so let me do something with that. Let me limit the width of this text block. In order to do that, I insert the following text in the header. Max width is equal to 40x. X is a measurement unit. It is approximately equal to the width of an X letter. Let's see what has changed. Let me open the preview in another tab. You see that now this text block became more narrow. Now let me separate this text block into paragraphs and see the result. You see that I've got two paragraphs. Now let me play a little bit more. Let me copy this block. And in the second block, I want to have an itemized list. Every item begins with a minus sign and a space. Let's see how it worked. And in fact, I have got an itemized list here. There are many more things you can do with the text. You can apply many kind of formatting. This is a web page for text formatting. You have a link to this formatting page here on the main web page for the builder, for the website builder. So now I've got this text, I've got this updated web page, but it is not published yet. I can see it by reloading my web page. This is an official, so to say, published version. In order to publish the web page, I have to click this check mark. Now it is published. Let us move back to the published version and reload it.